Tous les jours, à tout point de vue, je vais de mieux en mieux, which is my poor quality French for the expression every day in every way I'm getting better and better, by Émile Coué, the great man, who is an equally great inspiration to me and my own work. He influenced the protocol that I developed and that we use within our research at Bournemouth University. And though his work is over a century old now, it's still very pertinent and valuable today. In Émile Coué's 1922 book, Self-Mastery Through Conscious Autosuggestion, he explains how to use his general method. He explains that every morning before getting up and every evening, as soon as you are in bed, you are to shut your eyes and repeat 20 times in succession, and ideally moving your lips with the words. He states that's important. So to repeat 20 times in succession the following phrase: day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I'm sure you will have heard of it. Day by day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. And you are not to think of anything in particular, as the words "in every way" apply to everything. And this suggestion that you are giving yourself, this self-suggestion, what Coué referred to as an auto-suggestion. You say it with confidence, with faith, and with the certainty of obtaining what you want, and you garner a mindset. And today we know the importance of expectation, and Coué sought to garner that as much as possible. He'd suggest that the greater the conviction you communicated with yourself, then the greater and more rapid that the results that you obtain are. And he would suggest that you avoid making any effort, and that is that excess effort would inhibit the effects of the suggestions you are giving yourself, as per his law of reversed effect. So ultimately, you'd be really positive and expectant of the outcome, and you'd be relaxed and gently assured without exerting any effort that might inhibit the outcome. And that's like that's mental and physical effort, and that's basically the central premise of the general method of Couéism and his conscious autosuggestion. And this week I've just shared a comprehensive lecture on fundamental Couéism and how to practice autosuggestion in my Hypnotherapist Development Hub. You can find details of the hub in my bio or at my college website. And in the meantime, I recommend have a go, adopt the mindset I've discussed here, an expectant, positive mindset, while repeating at least 20 times the words day by day, in every way I'm getting better and better, and apply it to your own well-being and enjoy. Okay, goodbye for now.